Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I am going to be sharing with you one of my recent hauls. So this is not a clothing or shoe related haul. Today is just about skincare slash beauty. So I have heard a lot of good things about this brand. This is this famous brand from India which is famous for making luxury slash Ayurvedic products. Can you make a quick guess? Yes, you guessed it right. It is from Forest Essentials. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and finally I decided to go ahead and order some of the products. So this is my box wherein I got all my products, and I'm going to go ahead and show you one by one what all I got. So first of all, very good packaging, and here I see a Saundarya Absolute Beauty card. I guess this is a rewards card. If you guys know more about this card, let me know in the comment section below. What is this card for? Am I guessing it right? It might be for rewards, right? Let me know in the comment section below. And so the first thing which I see here is Narangi and Nagkesar facial Ubtan for glowing skin. So this is a free product. It is a facial Ubtan and it has pistachio seeds, sweet almond seeds, cashew nuts, narangi peel, licorice, Nagkesar extract, fenugreek seeds, vetiver root, ashwagandha root, neem leaf, anantmul root extract. Wow, it smells divine. So awesome. This is made with fresh herbs, seeds, fruits and flowers. I am really excited to try it. Meanwhile guys, if you have tried this product or any of the products which I'm going to be showing you today, if you have tried these, let me know in the comment section below how was your experience. I would love to hear that out. I'm trying these for the first time, but I'm really excited to try these because I've heard such good things about these products. So yeah, that's that. Next thing which I am going to show you is a lip balm, and it is their sugared rose petal with organic beeswax, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks from inside. It is well cushioned. Can you guys see? Oh my god, such beautiful packaging. I can totally keep it for later. And this is how my lip balm looks. So, and it is 4 gram or 0.14 ounces. So here it has the Forest Essential logo, and when you open it, so here they have a mirror which is definitely going to be handy, and there is the lip balm. Now since I already have lipstick on, I'm not going to try it on my lips, but I'm just going to try it on my hand, and yeah, it looks moisturizing, smells exactly like a rose. Wow, I'm definitely going to be enjoying it. I can't wait to try it. So yeah, that's my lip balm. So the next product is this intensive hair repair mask with Japapatti and Brahmi. And this is how it looks. So that is my hair mask. This is 200 grams or 7.5 ounces, and it is a repair hair mask. Now this hair mask has methi, brahmi, kalonji, rita extract. Oh my god, so many herbal ingredients. And if you guys have watched my previous hair care videos, I'm currently doing a lot of hair care where I'm using oil treatments and hair masks. So I was looking for a product which has good herbal ingredients and Ayurvedic as well. So yeah, I am going to use it quite a bit, quite a lot. So wow, it smells so amazing. This is how it looks. Again, very creamy, very nice. I like it. So yeah, that was my second product. I have this facial tonic mist, and it is pure rose water, and this is how it looks from the outside, and it is 200 ml or 6.76 fluid ounces. So that is how my toner looks like. This is pure rose water and it is made from natural steam distilled rose. Now I have been using rose water since a long time, to be precise around 5 to 6 years, and I really love it. So I use it in my morning and evening skincare routine, and I can't tell you enough. Rose water, if you have not yet added to your skincare routine, you should definitely go ahead and do it. It will give you that glow and it will prep your skin for moisturizing after, of course, cleansing your skin first. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a lot helpful in maintaining my skincare regimen. So I have never used this particular brand rose water. I wanted to try it out because first of all, it's made in India and it is pure rose water made from distilled roses. So I definitely wanted to give it a try. Now the next product again is a facial toner and it is called Panchpushp. It is 100 ml and 3.38 fluid ounces. And this is how the bottle looks. So this has distilled rose water, marigold flower infusion, kevada flower infusion, jasmine or mogra flower oil, glycerine and saffron. So this has a combination of 5 different flowers, and I'm definitely going to be using this as my toner. Next up, I have a hair vitalizer and it is Bhingraj in 100 ml or 3.38 fluid ounces. Now this hair vitalizer stimulates hair growth and restores vitality of hair. It's enriched with Ayurvedic herbal extracts which deliver optimal anti-breakage benefits and strengthens hair follicles. So I think it is a spray. Yeah, it is a spray and you just spray it on your scalp in easy sections and then gently massage and then comb your hair. So yeah, again, this is going to be quite handy in my capillary schedule. So if you guys have not yet watched my hair care videos and you want to know more what treatments I'm doing to maintain the quality of my hair, I will link all those videos in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah. Next up, I have this facial Ubtan called Roop Nikhar Gulab. So I'm quite excited to try this, and this is how the bottle looks. So this has pure rose and they are advising to use half a teaspoon with either milk, rose water or aloe vera juice to make a creamy paste, and then you can apply it after washing your face with your cleanser, and yeah, you can use it as your face mask. Oh my gosh, it smells so divine. Exactly like lots of rose flowers in a garden. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a great addition to my beauty regimen. Now next up, they have sent me some free products. So this is a body mist called Nargis. And this is 10 ml or 0.34 ounces. And oh my gosh. The smell is quite mild but very beautiful. The smell is not very strong, but yeah, you can definitely smell it. So amazing. I really love it. I'm going to be using it quite a lot, I guess. Yeah, this is such a beautiful body mist. Next up, they have sent me this iced pomegranate and Kerala lime body mist, 10 ml or 0.3 fluid ounces. And let me go ahead and try it for you guys. This is simply not working, guys. I think the pump might be broken. Let me just go ahead and smell it directly. Oh my gosh, smells amazing. Definitely I'm going to be using this a lot. So if you guys know me, I am a huge perfume lover. I love perfumes. So definitely these two body mists are going to be quite a great addition to my perfume collection, and I'm going to be using these quite a lot. Next up, they have sent a light hydrating facial gel. So this is pure aloe vera and this is 8 grams. And this product is again proudly made in India. and this is how it looks. So it's just aloe vera gel for the face. So yeah, those were all the products which I had ordered from Forest Essentials, and I am really excited to try all these in my beauty regimen and in my hair care regimen. Also comment down below which of these products have you used before and which one is your favorite. I would love to hear that out from all of you beautiful people out there, and I would see you soon in my next video. If you guys enjoyed watching this, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.